Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Nandini and today we are going to talk about how to style your clothes according to your body type. This is very important for girls, at least I know so much. And yeah, let's go directly into the video. But if you are new here, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's go directly. So basically, there are three types of body types in girls. First is apple shaped, second is hourglass shaped, and third is pear shaped. So first we are going to talk about hourglass shaped body. According to your style, you can wear bodycon dresses, you can pull off tight shirts and skirts, etc. If you want baggy clothes, you can wear oversized shirts with boyfriend jeans, maybe with a jacket. You can totally rock it, you know. Everything goes in you, so कोई problem ही नहीं है. Let's go on the second, which is apple shaped. So these are the body types which are basically heavier on the upper side and narrower on the lower side. So if you want to cover your upper areas, you can wear jackets, kimonos, and also if you want to make your body look longer, you can wear crop tops and skirts, so you can wear that. Oversized shirts and sweatshirts are my favorite, and another thing, I really like maxi dresses on over them, or puffer jackets, or this net jacket. So the third type of body shape is pear shaped. So in this type, basically the upper part is not heavier and the lower part is heavier. Jeans. These are high-waisted jeans and loose-fitting jeans, and I really love them. You can wear them with crop tops if you like, because it will again give you an illusion that you are taller, and it will like loose skirts, short loose skirts, frilly skirts, which will also cover your problem areas, and it will you can also wear off shoulders and cold shoulders, so that attention goes onto your shoulders and not wear something loose on the lower side, and you can add jewelry or cold shoulder, off shoulder tops, crop tops, and do with it. Another thing, if you want to hide your other kind of problem areas, like सभी body types इन तीनों में नहीं बैठेंगे, so over your arms, or you don't want your arms showing, so you can wear jackets, puffer jackets. There are different kinds of shrugs available. You can layer your tops, you can wear sweatshirts over it. Baggy sweatshirts are like really into my mind right now. If you're wearing a dress, if you want to wear a dress, you can wear a maxi dress, like a one piece, and then you can have like these cropped jackets, net, or sometimes you can add like jeans jackets. I really like jeans wale jackets on dresses, especially. They give a very cool look. You can add some gold jewelry over it, you can add like sunglasses. Wow. Another problem area is abdomen, which is very important, especially for women. Basically, you have to draw your attention somewhere else. So you wear either jewelry, so you can wear nice boots, real, so that the attention goes over it, and it is. So you can wear maxi dresses so that it covers. Wear it with a belt, so if you wear a belt, it gives an illusion like your dress goes like this. Good trick to hide your abdomen. If you are insecure about your bottoms, so you can wear again baggy mom jeans. I really skirts which will give like a frilly. Then you can wear Joggers, loose joggers, I really love them with a crop top, or you can add a jacket over it. Wow. Then you can have like long pencil skirts, like they give a look like you are way slimmer. I feel if you can pull that off, you should try it seriously. Then again, maxi dresses, because they are frilly kind of maxi. Again, for short girls, you should wear something like leggings and crop top, or like crop top, so that like it gives an illusion that you are taller. Or you can wear skirt also. Pencil skirts give an illusion that you are taller. Again, for girls who who are very thin and who want to look like fuller, they can layer, they can wear shrugs, jackets, so that their body does not look one like one stick, like some plump must be there. You can add skirts to your closet. You can add maxi dresses, you can short maxi dresses or short bodycon dresses with jackets, that will give some volume to your body. So that is it for this video. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. If you have any other video ideas, please comment down below. Like this video. Bye.